Run! Yay! Look at her go! Roxanne, where you going? Uh-oh. Off camera. Better go catch her. Come on, Mikey, let's go get her. Come on, let's go get her. Come on, let's go! Where? Oh. Roxanne! Oh, dear. Okay, we're gonna have to, I think, oh my god, this is so deep. This is hilarious. Hey, Roxanne! Stop! She's totally stuck. Oh my god. Hey, you puppy girl, come on back. Come on, let's go back. Come on. Good girl. Go on. Go. Mikey, be nice. Go. Good grief. Okay. Well, this is what I'm doing today. Oh, man. Okay. He's probably done being funny. Those icicles. Look at all the snow up there. Yeah, this was a big one. Okay. That's it for now.